At Loretto Academy, we never stop asking, how do we empower children to reach their full potential? The answer is by providing a whole child education rooted in our 4 core values: faith, community, justice, and respect.
When you come to Loretto Academy, it's all about family, it's all about support. What can we do to educate you? It's a team effort.
I highly recommend this school if you're looking for a small family setting. You'd be very happy to join the Loretto family.
I feel like I'm a better person here because I learn a lot about God and Jesus.
Our curriculum is focused on educating the whole child. Each student receives the personal and individual attention needed to ensure their success. Registration is now open for the 2021-2022 school year. Call 915-566-8400 for more information or visit loretto.org.